Alright, welcome back to lesson 4, and in today's video we'll be talking about how to open a business center for your TikTok ad manager. Alright, so if you are new in my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss amazing content I'll be dropping in this channel. And then if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Alright, so let us dive in. Okay, so now we want to create business center for our ad. All right, so for this campaign I will talk about it. All right, so before we proceed, a business center is needed before we can run our TikTok ad. All right, so that is what I'm going to show you in this lesson, in this section rather. So you click on these 3 lines that is here. All right, already can you see these 3 lines? So when you click on it, you will see business center, then you click on business center. All right, it's loading. So welcome to TikTok for business. So what you need to tick now, you need to tick on I am an advertiser. All right, it's already ticked. Don't click on agency. So and you will fill a form. So at this junction, just if you have a website, you can put your website here. And then if you don't have any website, I can just put a random website. Okay, I'll just put a random website. Right, and then put your country, okay, and then your business name. All right, so we never mind. So I'm just using that for my business name. So and the industry, you select your niche, your business niche, you select your niche. Okay, so you select your niche, and then watch the business all about. So as I said earlier, I choose an education and professional education. Okay, so I choose workplace training. Okay, so then my phone number has been added. You know, if you remember, I connected my TikTok account, and then during my TikTok account, my phone number is added to my account, and my email. Can you see this is my Yahoo mail? So the account is old account. Okay, so now, all right, so now the currency, the time zone, business center name, never mind, has been successfully selected. All right, okay, everything is set. If your phone number is not there, you can easily put your phone number. Okay, but my own phone number is already there, so you put your phone number. If your email is not there, you can put your email. Okay, but mine is already there. You know, as I said earlier, I connected my TikTok account to it. So what next to do is to tick this box. You need to tick. One is already ticked. You need to tick the second one, and then you click on confirm. Okay. All right. So this is just about opening a business center. Very simple and very straightforward. Okay. So this is just optional. This is just an option. I said additional setup optional. You know, so since the account already been linked already, just click on skip for now. You click on skip for now. It's optional though. It's going to bring you back to this spot that we left before. This is the campaign. Can you see what is your advertising objective? This is where we left before. So we are just what we did here is to create the business center. All right. So just to confirm that our business center has been created, so I will just click on these 3 lines again. I will click on it. Can you see it pop up? So I'll just click on that 3 line. If your own is not, if your own doesn't pop up like this, just click that 3 lines. Can you see these 3 lines? You click on it, and these 3 lines, you click on it. So can you see? Then you click on business center. This time around they will ask us to register because we already created our business what's it called, our business center. So can you see it said 2 setup verification? So they just want you to, they want to secure your account. So what you just need to do is to click on turn on. So 2 setup verification is now on. Okay, I'll just close this. We already set it to just close that. So if you look at it very well now, these are the things we will need for our ad. Okay, these are the things we need for our ad to be successful. Okay, so These are the things we need. Now it's finally set. The business center has been set. Okay, can you see say the business account is now available in business center. So the business center has been created. Okay, so we are now good to go. All right, so right now the business center has been created now. So we'll move to the next class. Okay, so this is where we are going to audit. Till we see you next time. Peace and thank you for watching.